And then it just takes you for a spin. You've never had one of these before, have you? So to restabilize a joint after you adjust it, you can put a magnet energy through the nervous system to restore that natural hold of good posture. You get that leg to jump out. Yeah, all the way? Okay. Ah, that's so good. What does it feel like in the leg right now? I feel your quads jumping. You feel it through your whole leg. It's just firing right now. Your body's gonna probably feel relaxed after this.
I hope so.
I hope it only hurts so bad for so long, right?
Definitely like this. This is my best friend.
That was cool. Yeah, it takes you to a different level.
Yeah, I like him, and I also like the other room.
The adjustments.
Deep breaths.
We make it happen, brother. Hey,
Good stuff.
my pleasure.